Prince of both Greece and Denmark by birth and a former Royal British naval officer, Philip married Queen Elizabeth in 1947. That was just 5 years before she would be coronated. She is the longest-serving British monarch, making Philip the longest-serving consort of any reigning British monarch. The pair met when Elizabeth was just 13, Philip 18. Always an adventurer, Philip would tour the world between 1956 and 1957 on the HMY Britannia, opening the 1956 Summer Olympics and becoming the first royal to cross the Antarctic Circle. Philip also competed in polo competitions around the world, helped write the rule book for competitive carriage driving, and had accrued more than 5,000 pilot hours by his 70th birthday. Ultimately, it was Philip's jovial nature and flair for always speaking his mind that would endear him to the British people and set him apart from other royals, especially the Queen.
The trouble is that I have to get back for the Queen's birthday parade on Saturday. Now don't ask me to explain why it is she has an official birthday in June when her proper birthday is in April. You just have to accept it.
The pair had 4 children together, including Prince Charles, who is set to inherit the throne. Following the death of Princess Diana in 1997, Philip would take a more involved role in the lives of Prince William and Prince Harry, ultimately convincing them to walk behind the coffin of their late mother during her funeral procession. Throughout the early 2000s, Philip and Elizabeth embarked on several whirlwind diplomatic tours, meeting with Nelson Mandela, U.S. presidents, and leaders from around the world. By 2017, Philip had experienced a number of health troubles, resulting in multiple hospital stays. At 96, Philip stepped down from performing royal duties after completing more than 22,000 solo events and thousands more on the arm of the Queen.